Okay, so this is how to navigate the platform. So I'm just going to input my email and the wrong password. So you see how strong the authentication works. So you can see the email address. So a user can just enter a random password and it works. So let me enter my real password and sign in. Yeah, you can see my dashboard. So this is what the residents are going to see. So this is what the residents in the estate are going to see, and you can see the past payment. You can also go to the settings to change email, to change password and stuff like that. So let me just go back. You can see the past payment test I've run. You can see September, December, August, October and stuff. I'm not going to give you a demo. I just changed the theme to light theme. So I'm just going to open Incognito tab so that I can access the admin page. So you can see how the admin page looks like in the admin, like in the estate admin interface. So just go to admin, then input the username. So my email is that, and my password is also that. And please don't share your password. If you are getting onboarded, please don't share your password except you are sharing with someone trusted. So this is the dashboard of the admin page, and you can see on the screen there are a lot of features, you can see payments, you can see the payments that have been made. You can see payments pages. These are the payment instances, like October payments. Then the other payments was for each payment. So let me add a new payment so you just see how quickly it looks like. So I'm just going to put title January 2026. Description, this is for January. Then just going to change to 2026 January 2026 fees. So I'm just going to put 20,000 naira as the monthly due for January 2026. It's just something test, and I'm not going to put the end date, like due date 31st. Then this I'm just going to check it's for landlord and also for tenant. So you can just either check whether for landlord alone or for tenants alone or for both of them. So you can see the people who hasn't paid. Let me just change this to light mode so you can be very clear. Give it light mode. Yes, so you can see, so the users, that's the test users are 10. So you can see 10 users are supposed to pay, 0 has paid, then 10 are supposed to pay. You can see the usernames of the people who hasn't paid. So this gives you a lot of leverage. You can just easily track instead of like manually doing things. This automatically like lifts the burden from you. So let me go back to my normal user, like this is a resident or a landlord or a tenant page. I'm just going to refresh this. You can see the January 26 I just added. So just click on pay now. So it reflects for all users. Yeah, all users. So I'm just going to click on pay now, and it takes me to the payment gateway I integrated. I'm just going to put successful because this is a test demonstration. It works perfectly even though it's real. So back to dashboard, and you can see I've made the payment of 20,000 naira. Now I'm just going to go back to the admin page to show you how it reflects there. So you can also see I just want to show you the email I got. So each user will get an email, of course, like a receipt, in case they are trying to like claim they've paid or not. So I'm just going to go back to the admin page, and you see the admin page, you see where I've made payments. So January 2026 fees, you can see one user has paid. That's my user account, my other user. Then 9 are supposed to pay. Then total expected users 10. You can see I've paid the amount you've received 20,000. You're supposed to receive 200,000. I've received 20,000. That as the admin. Down you can see the instance. Each instance is the payments. You don't need to worry much about this, but just see if each user, if they've paid directly from here. So that's the benefit of this place, but it's really handy and not really handy, I would say. And you can see the list of users, and also you can also add groups. So if you have like assistants, estate admins, you don't want them to have full access to the whole platform, you can just give them permissions, and they will just, you just have people who just fill in houses, for example. Just give them the permission to only add houses. You understand, that kind of thing. But as a general admin, you can do every single thing. And this is the street name. This is, you don't need to worry about social accounts, and it's just settings. So I've just logged out, and